Catherine Briscoe, and I'm with the UC Davis Mosquito Control Research Lab, and today we're going to talk about the CDC bottle Bioassay, and specifically the CDC bottle Bioassay kit. The CDC bottle Bioassay is a phenotypic assay used to detect resistance in adult mosquito populations.
Programs in the continental United States and its territories can order free insecticide resistance kits. You can request an order form by email to usbottleassaykit@cdc.gov.
Whenever you're running a CDC bottle Bioassay, just please remember safety first. So at minimum, you should have chemical resistant gloves, some sort of eye protection, safety glasses, or safety goggles whenever you're making the stock solutions and there's a splash hazard. And then long sleeves or a lab coat. If you're working with a district, you might have a pesticide applicator's long sleeve shirt that you can use. Once you've ordered your free CDC kit, it will come to you in a box in the mail. When you open it, first thing you should see is the order form that you submitted to the CDC showing what exactly you ordered. The CDC bottle Bioassay manual. This is the continental US version. A quick instruction form on how to put together the plastic pieces that form the falcon tube holder. And the SDSs or safety data sheets for the insecticides that you ordered. There'll be an aspirator for aspirating mosquitoes, a clear graduated falcon tube with a flat bottom for measuring out your acetone, several disposable 1 milliliter pipettes, some pieces of parafilm for sealing the falcon tubes after you've made your stock solutions, the insecticides that you ordered will come in amber falcon tubes, which will be used to make the stock solutions and house the stock solutions. They'll be clearly labeled with the insecticide name. Inside, there will be a Kim wipe stuffed in the top and on the bottom, and the ampule containing the insecticide. There'll be the pieces that form the plastic falcon tube holder, a chemical absorbent mat, and then under the cardboard flap will be your bottles. These are 250 milliliter ungraduated Wheaton media bottles with Teflon lined caps. And you'll want to make sure that you keep the box that these come in because it'll be useful later. There are some additional materials you will need to run the CDC bottle Bioassay that do not come with the kits. First of all, you'll need some sort of acetone or ethanol to use as a solvent for the insecticides. You can use technical grade, or you can get acetone from the paint section of your local hardware store or automotive store. If you use ethanol, just make sure that it's pure ethanol. You'll need some masking tape to label your bottles and their caps. Different colors is highly recommended. You'll need some sort of timer that can count seconds and also count up to 2 hours. Kitchen timers work great for this. You can also use your cell phone. If you're just getting started, it might be easier to have multiple timers, but do whatever is best for you. You will need some sort of data sheet. This is the one that you can get directly from the CDC. You can also use the PACVEC one that will be linked in the description, or you can make your own. Some sort of forceps to help you get the chem wipes out of the top and bottom of these falcon tubes is useful. And then Sharpies and pencils for labeling the masking tape on your bottle and cap labels, and also for filling out the data sheets. In addition to the materials you will need to run the assay, there are some materials that will make your life a little bit easier if you have access to them. A 50 milliliter graduated cylinder will help you to measure out the acetone more accurately than would the falcon tube. A beaker of some sort is very useful for transferring the acetone out of its original container and into either the falcon tube or the graduated cylinder. Also, if your falcon tube holder breaks or gets lost, you can use a beaker or some sort of cup to hold your falcon tubes. Also, instead of using the disposable graduated 1 milliliter pipettes, if you have access to mechanical pipettes, these are a lot more accurate, and you'll need the 1 milliliter tips that go with these. And then lastly, some jumbo cotton balls are very useful for capping the top of the bottles during aspirating so the mosquitoes don't escape. If you have access to it, a fume hood is very nice to have for working with insecticides and also for drying the bottles after you've made them. Or if you don't have a fume hood, especially if you're in a humid environment, a fan of some sort can really be useful for drying out bottles.
All of the materials you will need to conduct your bottle bioassay are listed in the CDC manual included in your kit and linked below in the description of this video.
Join me in the next video where I'll show you how to mix your insecticide stock solutions using the CDC kit.